Running out of storage on your iPhone? Don't pay for expensive cloud upgrades. Here's a simple, affordable way to expand your iPhone storage all the way up to 8 TB if you want, using just this little USB hub. This is a USB hub with a lightning connector designed for iPhones. It adds multiple ports, USB Type-C, USB Type-A, SD card reader, and thus opens the door to external storage. No complicated setups needed. All you need is a USB SSD drive, either USB-C or USB-A, and you just plug it right into the hub. The iPhone will recognize it instantly through the Files app, letting you move, open, and store large files like videos, documents, and photos. Whether it's a 256 gigs SSD or a massive 8 TB drive, the iPhone handles it like a champ. It's perfect for creators, students, or anyone needing serious mobile storage without relying on the cloud. And the best part, it works across all your Apple gear: iPhone, iPad, MacBook, even iMac, and it's fully compatible with the Windows too. So you can use one drive across all the devices. Just make sure to format the SSD properly. On a Mac, use the disk utility to format it to exFAT for universal compatibility, or AFBS if you are Apple only. And yes, you can also erase and rename the drive directly from the iPhone Files app. No computer needed. And if you are storing sensitive files, you can even encrypt the drive and disk utility on your Mac. You can use password to protect a folder or the whole drive so your data stays secure, especially when you are on the move. Now you have got a massive, portable, and secure storage solution that's fit in your pocket. No monthly fees, no storage warnings, just plug and go anywhere, anytime. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more iPhone and tech tips. I will link everything I used in the description below. Thanks for watching.